Alright, Calvi. Sucking on the snow on his mittens. Let's see it. Let's see it. Come on. Hello. Let's go. Big pizza. Big pizza. Woo-hoo-hoo. Big pizza. Good job. Eating while he goes. First thing he said is, when can we have lunch? Mr. Munchie. So I guess he's just gonna eat on his mittens. Alright, dude, let's go. Good job. Goodness. Doing really good. Whoa. Big pizza! Big pizza! Woohoo! Good job! Big pizza! Good! Well, put it back on.
Mom.
What? What?
What?
I'm stopping. Oh, dang it, I ran out of batteries. Let me see if I have another one. What, Cal? What, Cal? What, Cal?
Mom, do we still have that though?
Have what?
Mom.
What?
Just turn around.